My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Today I am with the 10th lecture on Nomenclature of Organic Compounds, titled Nomenclature of Ketones. From this lesson, the points to be learnt are definition of ketones, trivial system to name the ketones, IUPAC system, and finally we will see some examples. So, dear students, let's begin. The very first point is definition of ketones. Let's see the definition. This is carbonyl group, divalent carbonyl group. These two valencies are satisfied with alkyl groups. These two alkyl groups may be same or different, or two aryl groups, or one may be alkyl group and another may be aryl group. Now let's see the definition of ketones. When two bonds of carbonyl group are linked with two same or different alkyl groups, or two aryl groups, or one alkyl group, another one aryl group, then the compounds formed are called ketones. Let's move on to the next point. The point is now trivial system to name the ketones. In this system, these points to be kept in our mind. The points are dialkyl ketone, two words for same alkyl groups, three words for different alkyl groups, and point number 4, alphabetic order is followed, and it is followed basically for n alkyl groups, and it is not exactly followed for isoalkyl groups or neoalkyl groups. Let's look at the first example. Carbonyl group, here methyl group, here another methyl group, two alkyl groups, two methyl groups, dialkyl ketone. So dimethyl ketone, two words for same alkyl group. Here these two alkyl groups are same, and then in name there are two words, dimethyl ketone. Let's see another example, C2H5COCH3. This is different alkyl groups, and for different alkyl groups there will be three words. Here this is ethyl, this is methyl. So ethyl, methyl ketone, three words, ethyl methyl ketone, and in the points it is said three words for different alkyl groups. That's why this is ethyl methyl ketone. If it was like this, CH3CO C2H5, it should be methyl ethyl ketone. Methyl starts with M and ethyl starts with E. In the alphabetic order, E is prior to M. That is why its name will not be methyl ethyl ketone, its name will be ethyl methyl ketone, and here point number 4 is followed. Alphabetic order is followed here. So its name is ethyl methyl ketone. Let's see the name of this compound. Here there are two groups. One is alkyl group, another one is aryl group, and its name is phenyl. This is methyl. Now its name will be methyl phenyl ketone. The name of this compound is, here there are two alkyl groups. One alkyl group is this, another is methyl, and the name of this alkyl group is isobutyl. Second carbon carries one methyl group, so iso will come here. And how many carbon atoms? Total 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. In trivial system, all the carbon atoms are counted. So it is isobutyl. This is methyl. This one is ketone. So its name is isobutyl methyl ketone. Let's see the name of this compound. Here two alkyl groups, one is ethyl and another one is this. Here how many carbon atoms? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hex will come here, and second carbon carries 2 methyl group, so neo will come here. Neo hexyl. This one is ethyl. This is ketone. So its name is neohexyl ethyl ketone. Let's see the name of this compound. Here there are two alkyl groups, and those are, number 1, this is one alkyl group. Here how many carbon atoms present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And second carbon carries 2 methyl group, so neopentyl. Neopentyl. Here there are 4 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4. And from this right side, second carbon carries methyl group, so iso will come here. Isobutyl ketone. So its name will be neopentyl isobutyl ketone. Let's move on to the next point. My dear students, the point is now trivial system to name the ketones. These points are to be kept in mind. Those are, first of all, carbonyl carbon is considered as the member of the carbon chain. Again, this carbonyl carbon is expressed by a lower number. Then word root plus anon as suffix. Point number 3, position of carbonyl carbon will be mentioned. Point number 4, substituents with number is used as prefix. Let's see the first member of ketones. CH3, CO, CH3. Here word root is prop, because there are 3 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3. So here word root is prop, and anon as suffix. Propanon. Here 2 is not necessary, because if it is numbered from the left, then 1, 2, 3, propanon 2, and if it is numbered from the right, then 1, 2, 3. This time also this carbonyl carbon is 2. That is why this is not required to write, only propanon. Let's see the name of this compound. First of all, carbon atoms are numbered in such a way that the carbonyl carbon will be expressed by lower number. So if it is numbered from the left, then carbonyl carbon will be 1 2 3 4, carbon number 3. And if it is numbered from the right, then 1 2 3 4, carbonyl carbon is expressed by 2. So carbon atoms in this compound are numbered from the right. Then 4 carbon atoms, word root is but, then anon as suffix, butanon, and carbon 2 is carbonyl carbon, so butanon 2, or we can write it as 2-butanon. In this compound there are total 5 carbon atoms, 1 2 3 4 5, so it will be pentanon, pent as word root, anon as suffix, pentanon, and carbon 3, that is 1 2 3 4 5, so carbon 3 is carbonyl carbon, so this is pentanon 3, or it can be written as 3-pentanon. The name of this compound is, let's say, here carbon atoms are numbered from the right, because if it is numbered from the right, then carbonyl carbon is expressed by lower number, that means by 2. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5, so pent is word root, anon as suffix, and carbon 2 is carbonyl carbon, so we can write pentanon 2. And we see here from the points number 4, that is substituents with lower number as prefix. So here substituent is substituents with number as prefix. So here substituent is at 4, so 4-methyl pentanon 2, or we can write 4-methyl 2-pentanon, or we can write 4-methyl pentan 2-on. My dear students, let's move on to the next point. The point is now examples. Let's say the name of the first example. This is the compound. Here carbon atoms are numbered. If it is numbered from the left, then 1 2 3 4 5 6. Carbon 2 and carbon 5 are carbonyl carbons. And if it is numbered from the left, then 1 2 3 4 5 6. This time also 2 and 5 are carbonyl carbons. So in this compound, side is not problem in numbering the carbon atoms. Now here there are 6 carbon atoms, so hexane will come here, and carbon 2 and carbon 5, 2 carbonyl groups, so 2,5-dione. The name of this compound is hexane 2,5-dione. Let's see another example. To name this compound, carbon atoms are numbered from the left, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here hex is as word root, anon as suffix, carbon 3 is carbonyl carbon, so hexanon 3. Let's see what about substituents. Carbon 2 is carrying one hydroxyl group, carbon 4 another hydroxyl group, so 2,4-dihydroxy, 2,4-dihydroxy hexanon 3, or we can write 2,4-dihydroxy 3-hexanon, or we can write 2,4-dihydroxy hexane 3-on. My dear students, no more today. Thank you very much. Take care.